A clinical trial is underway now, testing a high-tech approach to battling Alzheimer's disease.
News 8's medical reporter Jocelyn Memento with a Connecticut connection to this novel electromagnetic treatment.
I first introduced you to Connecticut entrepreneur, inventor Eric Knight 2 years ago. What he shared with us then has advanced to a phase 1 clinical trial aimed at treating Alzheimer's.
This was the prototype Connecticut inventor Eric Knight shared back in 2015, basically sending radio waves to the brain to break up the underlying causes of Alzheimer's. Still too basic for patients, though. Fast forward to this.
Human patients are getting full brain electromagnetic treatment.
A sophisticated, refined, functioning headgear ready for a phase 1 clinical trial.
And this is a step change. No one else in the world is doing what we're doing right now and using an external system to be in using radio waves to do what we're trying to do here.
Knight has teamed up with Dr. Gary Arendash, who heads up Neuro-EM.
Embedded in this cap are 8 antennas, each of which projects into the brain electromagnetic waves.
Each had worked independent of each other, with both applying Dr. Arendash's well-documented research in the laboratory.
These were mice bred to have Alzheimer's disease, and they were essentially treated and cured from that disease in the laboratories.
This is a new technology in bioengineering that is different from a drug and does things that drugs can't do as far as getting into the brain, into brain cells, and affecting the actual disease process as we know it.
The next step is how this device will impact people with Alzheimer's. This one is based totally on Dr. Arendash's work.
It's true that just because something works in mice, that doesn't mean it's going to work in humans. But there are also some human studies that have been done with electromagnetic waves that suggest it's going to be effective in humans.
In phase 2, modifications will be made solely on Eric Knight's discovery.
To have an opportunity to make a social impact on a disease that affects tens of millions of people would be fulfilling beyond anything I can describe.
The Bird Alzheimer's Institute with the University of South Florida is where the clinical trial is being conducted. For 60 days, 12 people with mild to moderate Alzheimer's will undergo the 1-hour treatment twice a day. I'll keep you posted on this story. For more information, head to our News 8 app or website. Jocelyn Memento, News 8.